still about that.
What y'all wanna be next?
Bob money, we was out there with the junkies. Hit the switch to come get something. Tell that bitch get.
Yo, what's happening, man? It's Blvd, that's Codeine. We out here on another good Friday. You already know, you know what I'm saying? Every time we come out on Friday, we popping up with cookouts and everything. This is the type of shit I be telling y'all about. Y'all just pop up, man. Come out, eat, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy some shit. My boy, he got his goddamn restaurant started. You know what I'm saying? This is what I be talking about when I tell y'all niggas come out and we get our restaurant started, man. Everybody got a business. He got his business. We got the cleaning business. I got my crypto business. What's happening?
No.
Yeah.
How about that?
I got shots though, you want?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Yeah. But you know what I'm saying? This G right here, this the G spot. We showing up on this good ass Friday. Every Friday a good Friday. Especially when it comes down. Father's Day weekend, we turn
We out here turning up, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it. We gonna fry some fish, some chicken and shit. Chicken and waffles. Live from the crib. G spot, baby.
G spot. Alright, so we do this every Friday. Y'all wanna pop out, you know what I'm saying? Get the location from me, man. Just hit me up, post under this and whatever. You know what I'm saying? This is what we doing, man. We cooking outside. It's a nice cookout vibes, you know what I'm saying? But this a business. So of course you gotta pay for the place. Of course we gonna have days where you ain't gotta pay. Of course we'll have some events. That's gonna be very rare, but we're gonna have those events. But you know what I'm saying? For the most part, you know what I'm saying? Any Friday, you wanna come out here, you know what I'm saying? Drink with us, you know what I'm saying? Sip with us, you know what I'm saying? This is his wife here. This is the co-founder of the G Spot. You know what I mean? Right? Yeah. And that's a, you know, that's a legacy right there. That's one of the legacy. That's part of the legacy. That's like 1/8. Hold up. How many? All together. That's 1/6 of the legacy right there. 1/6 of the legacy right here. But yeah, this is what we doing, man. Niggas say that you can't sit outside and chill and then still have and be successful, man. Niggas full of shit. It's just the wrong niggas that y'all be fucking with. But hey, look, we out here, man. We popping out, you know what I'm saying? You already know where we at. Got that chicken. That boy be throwing down too. Matter of fact, wait, you got some chicken already done. Hey, look, this house coming up.
Yeah, we don't play no games around here, bro.
Yeah. Everything.
They don't call it the G spot.
Everything, they don't call it the G spot. Yeah.
Look at that thing, boy.
On that bad boy.
Lord.
One of them 4K. Yeah. I see the crisp on that, man. Come on now. Yeah, y'all pop out, man. Spend some money. Man. Get it. Hey, look. Spend some money. Hey, already, man.
Try Skechers new
I'll put back here with y'all.
I'm still about that.
What y'all wanna be next?
Bob money, we was out there with the junkies. Hit the switch to come get something. Tell that bitch get.